Right, so you are welcome back to chapter 2. We are taking a new chapter today, and that is chapter 2. We are done with chapter 1 that talks about introduction and definition of CRM. We've known what CRM means. We've known how firms reduces customer defection, and we've also ascertained the benefit of CRM. Now today we are now looking at the evolution of CRM. That is, when did CRM started its operation in the world? When did businesses started carrying out customer relationship management from the ancient time? We want to learn it from the evolution of customer relationship management. Okay, now under this we are going to look at the below subject of discussion. We'll look at evolution of customer relation management. Okay, then we'll look at transactional versus relationship approach to customer relationship management. We'll also look at the key points of customer relationship management. We'll look at the key points and then we conclude. Okay, we'll now conclude. It's short and brief, but you have to understand it. That's the most important thing. Okay, our objective is to explain the evolution of customer relationship management, to know transactional versus relationship approach, and the key points of customer relationship management. That's what we want to achieve after the end of this teaching. Let's start by